Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. Before you download the NetMirror app, there are a few important things you should know. In this video, I'll show you the potential security and privacy risks you should consider before installing any unofficial application. First, check where the app comes from. If an application is not available on official stores like the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, it means it has not gone through the same review process and security checks required by those platforms. Downloading APK files or apps from unknown third-party websites can expose your device to risks because you don't always know what has been modified inside the application. The second thing you should check is permissions. After installing any app, open your phone settings and review what access it requests. Be careful with applications asking for unnecessary permissions like contacts, microphone, storage, location, or accessibility access when those features are not required for the app to work. The third thing to consider is your personal data. Some unofficial applications may collect more information than expected, so always check the developer, privacy policy, user reviews, and security reputation before installing. Another important point is content legality. Some applications claim to provide access to movies, shows, or premium streaming services without official authorization. Using unauthorized streaming services can create legal issues and may violate the terms of service of those platforms. So before installing NetMirror or any similar application, ask yourself 3 questions. Is it available from an official store? Does it request only necessary permissions? Can I trust the developer behind it? If the answer is no, it is better to avoid the risk and use verified applications from official sources. Protecting your device and your personal data starts with the apps you choose to install. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.